Want to change your screensaver on your MacBook? Here's the quickest ways to do it. For the first method, let's change it with a wallpaper that I got online. So I usually get my phone or MacBook wallpapers from Pinterest, but you can get it from anywhere online. Here, I already have an image that I want to use. So to set this as your wallpaper, just right-click on the image and click Set Desktop Picture. And now it's set as your screensaver. Now for the second method, we'll be choosing a screensaver from the library in System Settings. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then select System Settings. Scroll down and click on Screensaver. Then you'll see multiple screensavers to choose from. Then you can choose any screensaver that you wish to use. And that's how you change your screensaver on your MacBook. Super simple and customizable. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.